Here's a remarkable slice of Victorian political history. An MP who believed he was a bird. From 1841 to 1851, the Member of Parliament for Thirsk reportedly maintained this firm belief. He didn't keep it private. According to contemporary accounts, he acted consistently in line with that belief. He was said to flap his arms as though they were wings, often in public. He preferred perching or balancing in unusual seated positions rather than sitting normally. He would openly insist he was, quite literally, a bird, not metaphorically. Despite this, he continued serving as an elected representative for a full decade. In the mid-19th century, mental health was poorly understood. Eccentricity was often tolerated, or simply treated as gossip. Records are limited, and some details may have been exaggerated over time. But if accounts are accurate, Victorian Britain had a sitting MP who believed he had wings, and Parliament carried on regardless, a truly curious historical fact.